Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or stop YouTube app notifications on the YouTube app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what I have to do is open up the YouTube app and select the U icon on the bottom right. So just go ahead and left click on that. Select the gear icon in the top right corner. Underneath Account, select Notifications on the left panel. And on the right side, you can turn off most notifications or mobile notifications over here. This will apply again for the YouTube app on iPhone, Android devices. And you can toggle them on or off by just clicking inside the oval one time, and it should save the changes immediately. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.